This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing Equalizer Apo and an optional front end like Piece for easier editing. Once installed, open the configuration editor and immediately choose the correct playback device, speakers, headphones, or virtual cable, because APO applies per device. Make sure to enable the APO for that device and save the configuration, then restart the audio service or reboot. This ensures the driver hooks into the output. After reboot, reopen the editor so you can begin creating filters for a deeper voice. Once done with device selection, create the core EQ chain. Add a parametric EQ band boosting 80 to 250 Hz by about +4 to +8 dB to add body, then reduce mud with a narrow cut around 300 to 800 Hz. Next, insert a low shelf at roughly 100 Hz to reinforce the fundamental, and a gentle high shelf cut above 6 kHz to remove sibilance. If available, add a subtle formant or pitch EQ set to about 1/2 to 1 semitone for perceived depth. To finish, balance output levels. Apply makeup gain only if needed, keeping peaks under clipping. Use a meter and aim for consistent RMS. Once done, bypass filters to compare, then re-enable and nudge Q values or gain in small steps until the voice sounds natural and deep. If you hear no change, make sure Equalizer Apo is enabled on the correct device, that piece or the config editor saved the file, and restart the Windows audio service or the PC. This fixes most installation and routing problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.